A farmer today and a climate refugee on the next day.
আমার আবাদি কোনো জমি নাই, সব নদী ভাঙনে চলে গেছে।
This is the reality for landless farmers in Bangladesh. The nation faces land shrinkage due to the rising water levels and floods. This threatens food security, causes unemployment, and increases poverty. On the other hand, our rivers face massive plastic pollution, which threatens the environment. MGI, one of the leading conglomerates in Bangladesh with an extensive FMCG portfolio, is named after the river Meghna. As people sometimes dispose MGI's plastic containers into water bodies and MGI can't help control those factors, the conglomerate felt it was the brand's responsibility to do something about this. Presenting MGI Plastic Farming, which uses plastic bottles to create floating farms. To spread the project, we formed a partnership with Bittanando and the local government's agriculture officers. Together with the landless farmer community, we collected plastics from water bodies. Then the local agriculture officers taught the farmers how to create plastic floating beds to farm on water bodies. By using water hyacinth compost and soil on which crops were planted.
নিচের যে স্ট্রাকচার এটা হচ্ছে প্লাস্টিক দিয়ে করা হয়েছে, যার কারণে আমার মনে হয় এটা দীর্ঘ টাইম থাকবে এবং ফসল বারবার হারভেস্ট করা যাবে।
Activations were then held in farmland depleted villages. A free website and video tutorial were also created to teach farmers and help spread plastic farming.
যাদের জমি নাই তারা তাদের বাড়িতে পুকুর বা ডোবায় বা বাড়ির সামনে খালে এটা যদি করে তার ডেইলির যে সবজিটা প্রয়োজন সেইটা সে মেকআপ করতে পারবে।
Through the initiative, landless farmers were provided land. Plastic was made valuable and farmers began to collect it on their own. Climate refugees were reverted to farmers, plastic pollution and poverty were reduced, crop production increased and food security strengthened.
আশা করি বাংলাদেশের মানুষ ভাসমান বোতলের বেড দিয়ে 4 বার যদি করে তাহলে সারা বাংলাদেশের মানুষ উপকৃত হবে।
Plastic farming by MGI.